Doubleheader. The hell? Another tornado. Wait, what's it for? Wait. Oh, it's for Logan.
The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Logan County until 5:15 p.m. At 4:40 p.m., a confirmed tornado was located over mainly rural areas of southern Logan County, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado. A tornado has been confirmed by train spotters. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. The tornado will be near Mount Pulaski around 4:50 p.m. Chestnut around 4:55 p.m. The National Weather